Just way too low. Why is a commuter or a jet that low? Don't make no sense. But then, keep in mind, you got this fuck too. What the fuck? This little bastard's starting to bother me. Look at this shit. That's a different one now. Shit's getting fucking real like a motherfucker right now. I ain't even gonna lie, this shit kind of bugged out. But, let's see what's going on. Cause there's some shit, that's for sure. Alright, much love, y'all. There's this dude operating a drone. Do he look like he operating one?